Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Microbial Life WIL. Today I will discuss about the nutrition, as because few students have texted me that what is nutrition and why does it matter. So today we will discuss about nutrition. Nutrition is a basic human need and a prerequisite to a healthy life. A proper diet is essential from a very early stage of life, from a proper growth and development. And to remain active, food consumption is very important, which is largely depend on production and distribution, determines the health and nutritional status of a population. The recombinant dietary allowances, which is also known as RDA, are nutrient center and technical in nature. Apart from supplying nutrition, food provides a host of other components and non-nutrients phytochemicals which have a positive impact on health. People consume food. It is essential to advocate nutrition in terms of food. Emphasis has therefore has been shifted from a nutrition orientation to the food-based approach for attaining optimal nutrition status. As per the nutrition guidelines, are a translation of scientific knowledge on nutrition on specific dietary advice. Their respect of the recombinant dietary allowances of nutrition in terms of diet that should be consumed by our population. The guidelines promote the concept of nutritionally adequate diets and healthy lifestyle from the time of conception to old age. Formulation of nutrition goals and specific guidelines would help in providing required guidance to people or the citizen in ensuring nutritional adequacy. The dietary guidelines could be dietary applied from general population, specifically specific psychologically or high risk group to devise health benefits. They may also be medical and health professional, nutritionist and dietitian. The guideline consistent with the goals set in national policy on agriculture, health and nutrition. The dietary guidelines to be practical, dynamic, flexible based on the prevailing situation. Their utility is influenced by the extent to which they reflect can be considered by an integral component of the country. Comprehensively planned, reach to goal specific in the national nutritional policy given by the National Institute of Nutrition under ICMR. The major food issue of concern are insufficient, imbalanced intake of food and nutrition. The common nutritional problems of the public health importance in India are low birth weight, protein energy, malnutrition in children, chronic energy deficiency in adult, micronutrient malnutrition and diet-related non-communicable disease. However, diseases are either of the spectrum of the malnutrition malnutrition are important, in which some review has been done with the evidence indicate that the undernutrition in utero may set the pace for diet related chronic disease in later life. Population exploitation, demographic changes, rapid urbanization and alteration in traditional habit contribute the development of certain unhealthy dietary practice and physical active, resulting in diet related chronic disease. The dietary guidelines emphasize the promote of health and prevention of disease. All age group with special focus on vulnerable segments of the population such as infants, adults and adolescents, especially for pregnant women and the elder person. Other related factor which we need to consideration is the physical activity, healthcare, safe water supply, and social and economic development, all of which strongly influence nutritional health. In this overall documents, whatever we learned is that food related approach both in qualitative and quantitative terms have been incorporated. Emphasis is on positive recombination, which can be maximize protects effect through use of variety of food in our traditional habit. The higher goals set with the respect of certain food items such as the pulses, milk, cereals, and vegetable and fruits are the intent to encourage the appropriate policy decision. A variety of food which are available and within our reach of common man can be selected for formulation of nutritional adequate diets. While there are only 4 accepted basic food groups in India, there are food preparation and practice. Different cereals, millets used as a staple food apart from a variety of cereals, millet, pulses combination in different region of India. The cooking oils and fat used of several kinds. The proper guidelines help you to formulate the help providing recipes and diet which are region and culture specific. It is difficult to compute standard portion sizes common to all Indian region, because in every region in our country has its own food habits. Their making of foods is different. Nevertheless, attempts are made to give proportion, sizes and extent. Translation of knowledge into action calls for the consideration effect of several government and non-government organizations. The 15 guidelines are given by the National Institute of Nutrition under ICMR, has already been published. Later we will discuss on that. Okay. I hope if you get any knowledge from my videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and you can get my personal profile link in the description box. If you want, you can download, you can follow me, and if you want to join in our WhatsApp or Telegram group, you can join it. Later we will deeply discuss about the nutrition in some another videos. Okay, thank you.